We're at the mall.
Barnes and Nobles.
Barnes and Nobles. And
It doesn't zoom me.
what?
Not cool.
I'm not trying to zoom.
Oh.
I'm just telling him the young model's MacBook Pro.
Oh, okay.
There he is. YM.
You got a pink camera guy.
Yeah, I know. Don't make fun of me. I wonder if this is illegal.
They don't even know they're gonna be on the spark of the day on YouTube.
I know, this might be illegal. So look at this guy. Sitting in the corner.
But the Gucci hat on there. The dude, you seen his socks? It was like, his socks was like up the head with the little shorts on. You gotta rewind that.
It's not gonna look like this.
He just like hopped out of the movie Caddyshack.
Let's see if Apple's doing good today. Guess not, since we had to bring our laptop to get fixed.
Hey, I got a repair pickup.
Hi.
All right, there's your computer. You're welcome.
So we got the laptop.
What the fuck am I gonna
No
do?
Skype.
I gotta go home and download a bunch of shit and it's gonna break all over.
Look at the guy.
He's reading comments.
What? Can you see him? Alright, that's all you need to see.
That's good. That's totally going on the spark of the day. I hope you know.
About to spark it up in this bitch.